people. So we are going to understand today the impact on the family member when one person is using drugs. How does it impact the whole family member? I had a story. In fact, let me share this story quickly. When somebody using drugs in the family, sometimes the family is split. The family split. Some say kick him out of the house. Some they say apply hard rules. Some say forgive them. So everybody in the house, when the person is using drugs, they get affected. Let's say let's start with the son. Let's say is a son in the house is using drugs, and in that particular house there's mother, father, and other sibling. The entire family then become separated. The focus is all putting in this particular person who